Looking for the best automatic litter box to suit your needs? In this video, we're diving into some of the top options available right now. Before we begin, don't forget to check out the links in the description to find the best deals within your budget. Let's get started. Number 5. Catlink Luxury Pro X. The Catlink Luxury Pro X is more than just an automatic litter box. It's a smart health monitoring system for your cat. With 4 cleaning modes and a built-in app, you can track litter levels, monitor waste trends, and receive health reports for up to 12 months. The system even provides real-time updates on your cat's weight and bathroom habits, helping you spot early signs of illness. If you have multiple cats, its weight sensors can differentiate between pets, making it a great choice for multi-cat households. The Luxury Pro X also excels at odor control, with a carbon filter system that eliminates up to 90% of unwanted smells. With an extra-large 13L waste bin, you can enjoy up to 7 days of scoop-free convenience with 2 cats, ideal for frequent travelers. For safety, it features radar and infrared sensors, plus an anti-pinch design that immediately stops the operation if a cat is detected inside. If you're looking for a litter box that offers automation, odor control, and detailed health tracking, the Catlink Luxury Pro X is one of the best options available. Number 4. Neakasa M1 Lite. For cat owners who prefer an open-top design, the Neakasa M1 Lite is a great option. It offers a spacious and safe alternative to traditional enclosed self-cleaning litter boxes. With its large 17-inch opening, cats of all sizes can easily access it, even those who are a bit shy. The unique pull and wrap waste solution ensures there's no odor, sealing waste securely inside a bag for up to 14 days of hands-free maintenance. This makes cleaning much easier while keeping your home smelling fresh. Safety is a priority with the M1 Lite. It has 5 pairs of infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors to detect any movement inside or near the box. If a cat enters mid-cycle, it immediately pauses, ensuring a safe experience. The Neakasa app lets you track up to 3 cats, monitor their litter habits, and get alerts when it's time to add fresh litter. If you want a hassle-free and odor-free litter box that makes life easier for both you and your cat, the Neakasa M1 Lite is an excellent choice. Number 3. Casa Leo Loo Too. The Casa Leo Loo Too is a quiet, fully automated litter box that eliminates the need for scooping while keeping odors under control. Thanks to its advanced sifting technology, waste is automatically separated and stored in a sealed drawer, making cleanup as easy as changing the liner once a week. Its built-in carbon filters and EPA-certified odor control system ensure that smells are minimized, making it ideal for households sensitive to odors. And with its sleek, modern design, it fits right in with any home decor. What makes the Loo Too stand out is its smart health monitoring features. The connected app tracks your cat's bathroom habits and even their weight, helping to spot any health concerns early. Plus, with voice control compatibility, you can ask Alexa or Google to start a cleaning cycle. It's incredibly quiet, running at just 30 dB, which is quieter than most household appliances. If you're looking for an intelligent, low-maintenance litter box with excellent odor control, the Casa Leo Loo Too is a top pick. Number 2. Petkit PuraMax 2. The Petkit PuraMax 2 takes self-cleaning litter boxes to the next level with its upgraded 360-degree sealed design, ensuring mess-free maintenance and excellent odor control. It offers multiple cleaning modes, including automatic, manual, timer, and empty modes, all easily controlled through the Petkit app. This app not only lets you manage the litter box remotely but also tracks each cat's weight and bathroom habits, helping you spot health issues early. With a spacious 7.6L interior and a 7L waste bin that can go up to 15 days without needing to be emptied, it's the perfect choice for busy pet parents or multi-cat households. Safety is key with the PuraMax 2, as it's equipped with 7 infrared sensors and 4 weight sensors to detect your cat's presence. The anti-pinch structure ensures the entrance stays open, preventing any risk of trapping your cat. Its low-entry design makes it ideal for older cats or those with mobility issues. Plus, the sealed waste bin and advanced odor control system keep your home fresh without the hassle of constant scooping. Number 1. Whisker Litter-Robot 4. The Whisker Litter-Robot 4 Core Bundle is the ultimate hands-free litter box solution, designed to keep your home fresh and your cat happy. Its patented sifting technology automatically separates waste from clean litter, so you never have to scoop again. This bundle includes everything you need: odor trap refills, liners, cleaning wipes, a fence, and a litter trap mat to minimize odors and litter tracking. It's also smart. The Whisker app lets you monitor waste levels, track your cat's weight, and even receive alerts, making it ideal for multi-cat households. Not only is it convenient, but the Litter-Robot 4 is designed with your cat's comfort and safety in mind. It accommodates up to 4 cats and includes weight scale technology for accurate monitoring. The enclosed design helps control odors, while the automatic cleaning cycle ensures a consistently fresh environment. With Whisker's USA-based quality and a 1-year warranty, this litter box isn't just a purchase, it's an investment in a cleaner, hassle-free home for both you and your feline friends. Conclusion. There you have it, 5 of the best automatic litter boxes that make cat care effortless. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video, based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'd love to hear your suggestions and comments. If there's a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comments, and our research team will be happy to review it. Please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.